Hi everyone, I just got a gift from Anchor Japan. Here it is. And yeah, about 2 months ago, I answered the questionnaire from Anchor Japan, and I guess this is the gift of that questionnaire. And yeah, that questionnaire was uh, what is your favorite feature of Anchor? Yeah, I actually broadcasting my podcasts um to Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts by using Anchor, and and it asks like what feature do you want in the future, and how did you learn about Anchor first of all, and asked a few questions about um, about that platform, and I really enjoy using this platform. So yeah, I asked very um, carefully, I mean kindly, and I wanna show appreciation for Anchor for their great job. And yes, wow, this is, I don't know, what is this? Okay, how to open this box? Oh, right here. Okay, can you read it? State or with Anchor, and it says in Japanese, broadcast your voice. Okay, oops, sorry. Um, broadcast your voice. Thank you always for broadcasting through Anchor, and in order to enhance the creator experience, um, we will continue supporting in Japan. So please use this service in the future as well. And Anchor Japan and hashtag Anchor Japan and Anchor and broadcasting podcast. Sincerely from team Anchor team. And yeah, stay all with Anchor. Here's little something to say. Thank you for working your podcasting magic with us. Thank you too. And wow, this is nice. Um, stickers, I guess. Yeah, stickers. And yeah, this is stickers. This is sticker as well. Yeah, this is too. And this is pen. This is a, yes, pen. And notebook. Podcast notes. Anchor by Spotify. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I actually need a notebook for my part-time job. So yeah, I like it. And recording in wow, this is like sort of hanging to I got it. This is to hang the doorknob in order not to be interrupted by others. Yeah, this is nice. This is made from yeah, paper like and very thick one. And okay, next. What's this? Oops. Oh. Mag cup. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, this is stylish and yeah, very simple. And wow, this is yeah, I like it. So sophisticated makeup. I like coffee and tea. So yeah, this will it will work hard in the future from now on. And oh, this is I don't know what for like the rate of wines or something like that. Um, Here it is. Okay. Okay, it says, oh, Lava Woods refresh pot. So lava tree is environmental friendly. I mean substance, and uh, it took 5 to 20 years after planting lava tree until like gaining the regime, and after that it will removed and replant the new tree. And yeah, this is yeah good to the sustainable development. I mean work this efficiently, so people start um, paying more attention on these trees. Okay, yeah, this is cool. And yeah, I think that's it. Wow, thank you very much for Anka team for giving this gift, and I will keep using this amazing platform. Thank you so much.